Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. This is a folding small washing machine. For these items you can use for your toilet. This is a cleaner. This is a brush you can use for cleaning your stuff. You can use it for the sealing. This is a small fan. This is a small shelf you can use for your sandals, and we've got this one. This is a mop you can use for cleaning windows and doors. You can also use it for the floor. This is another apartment. This is another brush you can use for this frying pan. It's really helpful. It makes cooking easier and fast. And this is a dispenser you can use for storing different types of cereals. This is a juicer. These are plastic organizers you can use for your fridge. This is a small shelf. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. This is a small folding washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. And this is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet.
What's up?